In today's video, we are going to cover how to create custom questionnaires in HoneyBook. Start by logging in to your HoneyBook account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Templates. This opens the area where HoneyBook stores the reusable items you can build and save for later. If you already have templates in your account, you will see them listed here. Next, select My Templates so you are working in your own template library. From there, click the plus New Template button, then choose Questionnaire from the available template options. This creates a new questionnaire draft and opens the editor, where you can begin shaping the form you want clients to fill out. Inside the questionnaire editor, click into each question field one at a time. HoneyBook starts you off with placeholder text, and this is where you replace that text with your own questions. As you go through the form, write each prompt the way you want it to appear to the person completing it. This is the point where the questionnaire begins to reflect your own process instead of the default layout. After entering your questions, adjust the answer type for each one. HoneyBook lets you choose different response formats depending on the information you need. For shorter replies, use short answer. For longer written responses, use paragraph. If you want people to pick from a preset list, choose drop-down. If only one option should be selected, use single choice. If more than one option can apply, switch that question to multiple choice. Make sure the answer format matches the kind of response you expect before moving on. If the questionnaire needs more detail, continue by adding additional questions. You can also add more pages if the form is longer and you want to break it into sections. This helps you build out the questionnaire to fit the exact information you need to collect. Keep adding and arranging content until the structure matches your intended flow. Once the questions and pages are in place, move on to the layout. Customize the overall appearance and review the questionnaire from top to bottom. As you review, check the wording of each question, the order they appear in, and the response type attached to each one. This is also a good moment to look for anything left in placeholder text or any question that uses the wrong answer format. When everything looks the way you want, click Use Template. This saves the questionnaire as a template you can come back to and use again in future projects, instead of rebuilding it each time. Your custom HoneyBook questionnaire template is now created and saved for future use.